Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your TransferWise or Wise account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you find your transfer API key? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need an API key or API token for your Wise account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that setting up automations sometimes requires an API token. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wise dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my TransferWise account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your TransferWise API key, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a menu here on the right. And to get your API token, you want to look for this line right here, integrations and tools. Once you do that, you're going to see a few different options, but you want to click on this button here, API tokens. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on this green add new token button. Okay, next you want to go ahead and name the token. So let's go ahead and name this maybe accounting software May 2025. Okay, here you can go ahead and choose the permissions for this token. So I'll choose read only. Okay, and you want to look right here, allowed IPs. So if you know the IP address for the company that's going to be using this API key, you can go ahead and add that here. So that way anyone outside of that IP, they're not going to be able to use this token. Once you've completed all this, go ahead and click on create token. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. And as you can see, we created a new API key for our TransferWise account. So you can go ahead and copy this and then message it over to whoever is asking for this or whatever software is asking for your Wise API key. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your TransferWise API key, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.